Welcome to Christ College Ribhoi. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, Khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight.
Ki pulit penyat kali jangka Laban Police Station ki bajipet ya kejingyat pet ya nanti ki kali Red Cross Laban ki lapan pau ya kejing kemen ke bakraw hadin bi yok pediang da ke police boot nau MLA ke Shillong South ba Sanbor Shulai ya kini ke police boot lashna ke jinglut ke bakot sya ka shipan lai phaulak tingka ke bau MLA open yo na ka discretionary grant hadin ke niu ba Sanbor ula pleru ya ke public latrine ya ke pankhana pai pa hangte hajan hi knang ban khanglat ya ke jing penjaklia ya ke tiga than ladon lang ha kini ke sngi naduk ki he pulit ki nongelam shnong batru ki pai pa
like Pak Edward has said that based on the request of the general public and also the shopkeepers and we are here we are surrounded by if you go to the left side, you are reaching around Scout and Guides institution by Mount School. If you go to the right side, you will see plenty of shop here. This is a Red Cross. We have Umsirpi College, we have Red Cross Hospital dispensary, and downwards you will see there are lots of clinics, and we have also school there, like the Bengali boys, the Bengali girls. Schools, and we have the Muslim LP school, and this place is very busy place. This is a market place, and the problem that we are facing now, and based on the request of the general public of the entire Laban area and Greater Laban area, that we need urgently a police boot. We are a police boot. As to enable the traffic department to regulate the flow of traffic and also to see that the safety of the pedestrians, especially the students and the children. So today, with the blessing of God, we have all 60 MLA. We are getting since last year 20 lakhs in the form of discretionary grant, and through this 20 lakhs, I have sanctioned 1,30,000 to set up this police boot for the interest of the police, the traffic department, and for the interest of the general public. And later on, after the handing over of this police boot to the authority of the traffic department in presence of Honorable SP Prasad, then we will go down, a little bit down, where we are going to inaugurate the public urinal toilet and urinal system in the form of pay and use toilet and urinal system. This is also the long aspiration of the people of Greater Laban, especially the people of our Laban area, because they don't have this toilet and urinal facilities. So we have also discussed with Prasad, Latyang, and Marngar also, with the headman, members of the Dorbar. Maybe after a few months, after the completion of the Laban's supermarket complex, after shifting of all those shopkeepers, we will be able to set up, that place will be free. So we'll set up one more police booth in Adiaudak Laban. One more. So with these few words, this police booth, we have spent from the DG grant of the MLA district grant 1,30,000, and the public toilet and urinal system. This has been sanctioned for an amount of rupees 5 lakh from the Shillong Municipal Board under the Swas Bharat Mission.